Have you ever wondered just how unique our home, Earth, truly is in the vast expanse of the universe? Picture the universe as an endless ocean dotted with countless islands. These islands are the galaxies, home to numerous celestial bodies. Among them, one stands out as a beacon of life, our Earth. Earth holds a special place in the cosmos. It's not too close to the sun, cooking everything on its surface, nor is it too far away, freezing life into extinction. It nestles in a spot astronomers fondly call the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. This perfect positioning allows water to exist in all three states, solid, liquid and gas, a crucial factor for life as we know it. But our Earth's uniqueness extends beyond its prime location. It's also wrapped in an invisible shield, a magnetic field that protects life on the surface from the sun's harmful radiation. This magnetic field, generated deep within the Earth's molten iron core, acts like a cosmic umbrella, deflecting most of the sun's damaging particles. Imagine for a moment our planet without this protective shield. The sun's fierce solar winds would strip away our atmosphere, much like what happened to our celestial neighbor Mars. Without an atmosphere, water would evaporate into space, and life, as we know it, would cease to exist. Earth's magnetic field not only protects us, but also paints the sky with a spectacular light show, the auroras. These shimmering curtains of light are the result of solar particles colliding with the Earth's magnetic field, a dazzling reminder of our planet's protective barrier. So, as we journey through the cosmos on this spaceship we call Earth, let's appreciate its uniqueness. Earth is not just another planet. It's a haven for life, a cosmic miracle in the vast, often inhospitable universe. Let's cherish it, for Earth is the only known planet to support life, a testament to its uniqueness. Did you know our atmosphere plays a crucial role in making Earth habitable? This invisible shield, our atmosphere, is a blend of various gases, primarily nitrogen and oxygen, with trace amounts of argon, carbon dioxide and other gases. It's like a cocktail, mixed just right for life as we know it. But what does the atmosphere do, you may wonder? Well, let's start with protection. Our atmosphere is a formidable guardian, absorbing and reflecting a significant amount of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Without it, these high-energy rays could cause severe damage to living organisms. It's like having a personal bodyguard, constantly shielding us from the sun's relentless onslaught. Beyond protection, the atmosphere also plays a significant role in climate regulation. The greenhouse gases within it, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. This natural greenhouse effect maintains the Earth's temperature at an average of about 15 degrees Celsius, just right for life. However, an increase in these greenhouse gases can lead to an enhanced greenhouse effect, causing the planet to warm up more than usual. This is what we call global warming, a major concern that's driving climate change today. The weather we experience daily is also a product of our atmosphere. The heating and cooling of the air create wind, while moisture in the atmosphere forms clouds and precipitation. Now let's not forget about the role of our atmosphere in facilitating communication. It carries sound waves, allowing us to hear, and radio waves, making broadcasting possible. Looking up, you might not see it, but the atmosphere also gives us our blue sky. The scattering of sunlight by the atmosphere causes the blue appearance we see during a clear day. So, the next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate this invisible yet essential layer that envelops us. Indeed, our atmosphere is a silent protector, making Earth a safe haven for life. Water, the essence of life. But did you know that Earth is the only known planet with liquid water on its surface? Picture an endless expanse of blue stretching as far as the eye can see. That's our Earth, a watery oasis in the vastness of space. Approximately 70% of our planet's surface is covered with water, a resource that is as abundant as it is essential. But why is water so critical, you ask? Well, water is the lifeblood of our planet. It's the driving force behind every living organism, from the smallest microbe to the largest mammal. Without it, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. It's the universal solvent, dissolving essential nutrients and transporting them to where they're needed most. It's the coolant, regulating the temperature of our bodies and our planet. It's the medium in which countless chemical reactions take place. Yet water is more than just a mere necessity. It's a marvel of nature, with properties as unique as they are vital. Water is the only substance on Earth that exists naturally in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas. It has an uncanny ability to absorb and retain heat, stabilizing our planet's climate and making it habitable. It's a mighty force, carving out landscapes and shaping our world. Water is also a universal symbol of life, often considered sacred in many cultures around the world. It's the source of our existence, the cradle of life, and the sustainer of our planet. It's a powerful tool used for everything from agriculture to industry, from hydration to sanitation. And yet, despite its abundance, clean, accessible water remains a scarce commodity for many. It's a stark reminder that this precious resource, so critical to our survival, is not infinite. We must learn to use it wisely, to conserve, to protect, and to cherish it. Water, in its simplicity, holds the key to Earth's complex web of life. Earth is ever-changing, ever-evolving, but what drives these changes? The answer lies beneath the solid ground we stand on. There's a world in constant motion, driven by the heat at the Earth's core. This heat sets the stage for the dance of the tectonic plates, the giant puzzle pieces that make up the Earth's crust. Let's imagine these plates for a moment. They're not static, but rather engaged in a ceaseless ballet, powered by the Earth's internal heat. This heat creates currents within the semi-fluid layer beneath the crust, called the mantle. These currents push and pull the tectonic plates, moving them in different directions. This process is what we call plate tectonics, and it has a profound impact on the surface of our planet. It's responsible for the creation of majestic mountain ranges, the birth and death of oceans, and even the locations of continents. When tectonic plates collide, the pressure pushes the Earth's crust upwards, forming mountains. The Himalayas, the highest mountain range on Earth, are a towering testament to this process. And what happens when these plates slide past each other? Well, that's where we get earthquakes. The sudden release of energy as the plates slip can cause the ground to shake with incredible force. But it's not all chaos and destruction. The movement of these plates also contributes to the creation of fertile soils as rocks break down over time. This process, known as weathering, is crucial for life on land. And let's not forget the role of the Earth's internal heat. It's not just a driver of plate tectonics. This heat is also responsible for volcanic activity, which releases gases into our atmosphere and nutrients into our soils. Life as we know it wouldn't exist without these dynamic processes. So, while it may be easy to take the solid ground beneath us for granted, remember, it's anything but static. It's part of a global dance, a symphony of heat and motion that shapes and reshapes our world. Indeed, Earth is a dynamic planet, constantly reshaping itself. From space, Earth appears as a beautiful blue marble, but why blue? Well, it's all down to something called Rayleigh scattering. This phenomenon occurs when sunlight, which consists of different colors, interacts with the molecules and tiny particles in Earth's atmosphere. The shorter wavelengths of light, particularly the blue and violet, are scattered in all directions more than other colors because they travel in smaller, shorter and choppier waves. But if that's the case, you might ask, why doesn't our planet look violet from space? That's a good question. It's because our eyes are more sensitive to blue light, and because sunlight reaches us with much more blue light than violet. Additionally, some of the violet light gets absorbed into the ozone layer, further enhancing the blue. This scattering of light gives our home its blue appearance when viewed from space, and has earned it the nickname, the blue marble. It's a term that was first coined in 1972 during the Apollo 17 mission, when the astronauts captured an iconic photograph of our planet. This image, with its swirling white clouds, deep blue oceans and vibrant land masses, highlighted the fragility and isolation of our home in the vast expanse of space. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember, we live on a unique blue marble. We've journeyed through some fascinating facts about our home, Earth. Isn't it an incredible place? From the life-sustaining atmosphere to the power of water and our planet's dynamic nature, we've seen just how unique Earth truly is. We've marveled at the beauty of our blue marble, a jewel of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our universe. Until next time, Keep looking up and stay curious.